Hey, Kalam here. At first, look this photo and look this video. Exactly. I'm going to explain you how to create image to AI kissing video generator. It's absolutely free for use and simple. I'm using two AI tool. It's like Canva and others AI tool. So first I'm going on Canva, then open a project. So I import a male and female. You can import anyone and any man. Example purpose, I charge a man has lots of character available. Example purpose, scroll down. Maybe this person, so I input this person. You can input any person, this doesn't matter as it will. Okay, that's good. Now I just input a woman, scroll down. Okay, that's good. Okay, this female you can use any female. This is the same method, so just okay, that's good. Now I need to just download this photo from Canva. You can use any others photo editing tool like CapCut, Picture, and any others. Then I'm going on Helio AI. It's absolutely free for joining, and when you joining, you got some free resources and tool. I need to log in here. Once you have done it, go to image to video generation. Just click here, then import your image you want to generate kissing to video. All right, now okay, it's uploading right now, processing. So I write here each person kissing with happy mode. Just click on this diamond button. When you join here, you got some credits. It's for 100% free of cost. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.